In this video, I'll detail how to fix if Apple ID in settings is grayed out or disabled on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and you discover that your settings ID or your Apple ID settings is grayed out, you couldn't access it, you cannot modify password, you cannot change your Apple ID, and you cannot alter the iCloud settings, just like because your iCloud is grayed out on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then this video is going to walk you through the step on how you can easily fix your Apple ID in settings is disabled or is grayed out. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone 12 Pro Max settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, just scroll down until you get to screen time, then tap that. Once you tap screen time, you should see or have access to your iPhone screen time over the weeks. This includes your downtime, app limit, always allow, or even screen distance. Now, to fix the Apple account ID grayed out in the settings, then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then if in your case you have the Content and Privacy Restrictions turned off, then turn on it like this. So if you have it grayed out, turn this on. Then you want to scroll down to get to Allow Changes to. Here you want to make changes to your iPhone 12 Pro Max account such that you can easily edit, remove, or add any information to the Apple ID account page. Then click on Account. Then under Account, you have two options. The first option allows you to edit your Apple ID settings, and the second one disable access to editing the Apple ID settings on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, to disable the Apple ID in settings grayed out, choose Allow. Then just go back to the settings page. On the settings page, just hang on for a couple of seconds, and you should see the Apple ID settings grayed out fixed. And if otherwise it doesn't fix, just like this, close this page. Once closed, reopen the settings app again on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then you should see your Apple ID name in the settings fixable. So that's how you can easily fix if Apple ID in settings is grayed out or disabled on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.